This is one side of the wall. Dirt, there you go. More of this. More of this. More marks. This part is good, but then there is another scrape here. A hole that I had to fill. More of this. Marks. Here, dirt, foam, marks. Right here, scratches. Another scrape that I had to fill. This, more. So that's here. That's part. A little bit on the wall down here, a little bit on top. And over here, you see scrapes, dirt. This is from, most likely from the hammer. Going this way, going this way, this way, this way, this way, more. Over here, the corner, the big scrape that I had like a picture of. I filled it up. Going this way, now here on the dark, you can see better. Going this way, you see like the full base is damaged. More of this here. Just single pictures, they cannot tell the true story, so I just picked up a few. But ACS is responsible for this out of New Hampshire. High quality installation, as you can see. More scrapes over here. Continuing on. Over here, another spot that I need to fill. Another one. More foam. More foam. Also scrapes. Over here, more intensive. There you go, and going up. More confirmation about the really good job that they did. And over here, the cut, as you can see, is not even all the way. So that's another confirmation of the good job that they did. And that's pretty much this end. And then scoring like the next side again, like here, more of these scrapes, here, like another good one I had to fill. As you can tell, I filled it. Needs to be painted over. Here, and I had to do these. And closing in back to the spot we started from. So that's really it. Moving on to the next room. So on this end, where they installed, your attention over here, you see how liberally they used the foam. And by the way, this is still leftovers from how they cleaned up. We wanted to clean up, but that was away this week. And then the other corner, really sloppy. Look. And then here, here, this is okay. But then all here on this end, again, like a big, I don't know. And yeah, and the wall as well needs to be repainted. Moving on here, like that's what they did as well. Even though they didn't install any carpet, but maybe as they were rolling it out. So here, starting out this corner, you see everywhere, right? And it's always a combination of foam and something else. Foam and something else. Yeah, the blue foam. Yeah, foam and something else, right? And then on this end, yeah, I don't know how they got this blue stuff. Maybe it's again like this. Like, look, why would they have something like this? And yeah, chips right? You see how it's chipped. This whole thing, look, continue moving on. And this, another scrape. Don't mind this piece, this is okay. This is from before we painted. This. So as you can see, it just continues. This. This, yeah, a little bit. You can see, like, if it's not white, like this piece here is probably okay. If you know, no need to touch ups, the wall is fine. You see, this is how a good wall should look like. This is how it was before, right? Smooth and freshly painted. But then when we come down, like, there's a little bit here again, like on the white ones, and you know, just like, look, all of this is excessive, right? That's why you hire professionals, so that they don't allow for any of this to happen, right? Professionals, you pay them for good installation, not damage. Now look, that's what they left, marks, foam again, and another one. This is foam too. And just like moving on, yeah, a little bit down there too, turning around, oops, another one. And this is probably the worst part of the wall. Look, on this side, we turn, and here we go. So here, as you can see, it's pretty bad all the way to the top. Like, imagine this entire wall has been really badly damaged. So we use this as a bar. So yeah, so I had to patch a little bit some of the holes, but you see this entire surface needs to be repainted. And yeah, so it goes like this. Over here, you see, like, continues everywhere on the base. It's all of it needs to be 170 linear feet needs to be repainted. So that probably cost me around $200 just to paint the base. And look at this, like, and then here, this is probably another day for, like, look, imagine this is also needs to be removed and painted over. Look, and it goes on. Right, you see all the marks, another and another here in the corner, and another here. So in this, so all of it is dirty, and we're moving on, and we continue and continue. So yeah, so it's kind of bad. So continue over here. Another mark with dirt, right? Maybe clean in the wall. Yeah, I forgot to show you the wall, but there's also some damage over there. You see, like, it's just this difference in color. Oh yeah, in here, even the sky is, I don't know, 2 feet. We have foam on the wall. Moving on in here, and then again, like, over. Look how. So probably need to do on the about 2 feet on this side, and then yeah, I mean, if you do partially paint the wall, maybe it's not gonna go well. So yeah, so as you can see over here, foam again. It's really unacceptable. More markings, more foam. Over here, markings. Continues, I had to fill this up. More markings. Oh, look at that. a staple. That's how well they cleaned up. I just found this right now. So more of this. More of this, right? Just continuing on. This is slightly better, but still would need to be painted over. Yes, if you're painting everything just like this. More of the scrapes. You see how visible they are on the camera. More of this. Let me turn on the lights. Oops, I lost that piece. Oh, there it is. So here, 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 here. All of these scrapes going around. More of this. More of this. Over here too, right? And another beautiful installation example, like over here, when they were installing the border. Yeah, I mean, why would you do this? Why would you damage it like this, right? So it's supposed to be clean like this, maybe, but then the end is just unacceptable. And going around, this is how they left it, like pieces. And this is me, I left it here. But take a look, like imagine. This is how they finished the job. And just two pieces right here. I mean, look. And then going around, a little bit of that. Here it's, okay, this is clean. I mean, probably this would not be touched. But then what I needed to do as well is over here, like even the ceiling. Look at that. I had to do some patching, this end too. I had to do patching because it was just damaged. And we're finishing on this side. So here I need to do some patching in here below. So there was something here, some here. You can see like all of these markings. Just sloppy. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Over here, just keeps on going. Yeah, and above, it's painting. And here, again, and again. Over here at the end, I need to paint this over, right? So, and then last, to finish the circle in this room, I had to patch this and this also needs some touch up, right? Because I was also covering some holes in here, cover here as well, and we need touch up, painting again. Yeah, so that's essentially it. This is the view of the room, the entire room, just like this. And the carpet itself is nice. The padding also feels really nice. But the install, boy, I don't want to hear about these people again. And yeah, they need to really think hard when they send these people over, what kind of quality they commit to. Because they definitely do not deserve to be in business. Not like this. Yeah, from bird's eye view, looks okay. But once you come closer, you see how sloppy the job was performed. Really sloppy. If they need to cut into pieces and stitch them together, that's how they do it. But I don't know, I'm not a specialist, I'm not a professional. I'm expecting them to make those calls. So that's really it. So it took me about 15 minutes to walk through this all, but imagine how long it will take to do it. And now that we have the carpet, it's gonna probably take even more time.